Okay, next part we continue with dual selection using if-else statement. So for the first question, find if a number is odd or even. If the number is odd, then display message odd number. Otherwise, display message even number. So first step, you do the IPO analysis. So for this question, the output odd number or even number. So we have two output. Second, for the input number. So we clear for this question, the input is number. For process, you can write determine whether a number is not divisible by 2. Okay, this is the pseudocode. So as usual, start, stop, read number, because just now we discussed the input is number. If number not divisible by 2, then we print message odd number. Else, print message even number. So and if to terminate this if selection, and stop. Okay, now we try to convert to segment code. So start is open curly bracket, stop is close curly bracket. Okay, for read number, so number IC.next integer and with the semicolon. Okay, then we have if number modulus 2 not equal to 0. So this one is for the condition. If true means print message odd number. Use system.out.print odd number. Else, print message even number. So system.out.print even number. Okay, and the last part is write complete Java program. So first line, write the import Java utility.scanner and with the semicolon. Second line, class name. For this program, you can write odd even. Make sure don't forget to write the open and close curly bracket. Third line, main method, and open and close curly bracket. Then fourth line, scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in and with the semicolon. So for the read number, so this one is the input. So this variable. So make sure when you write the complete program, make sure you include the data type. So integer num. Okay, system.out.print enter number. So this one is mainly for user friendly coding. So num equal to sc next integer bracket and with the semicolon. So this one for the input statement lah. Okay, then if number is not divisible by 2, so the condition, so num modulus 2 not equal to 0. So if true means print odd number, else print even number. So this one for pseudocode. So just convert to use system.out.print. Show as capital letter. So else system.out.print even number. So don't forget we have two open curly bracket and close with two close curly bracket. Okay, next is the last question for today. So compare two integer variables and display either message number 1 is greater than number 2 or message number 2 is greater than number 1. So for this problem statement, the output is number 1 is greater than number 2 or number 2 is greater than number 1. So we have two output, either one. So input, of course, two integers. So the input is integer, or you can write number also can. Next, we see the pseudocode. So as usual, start with number 1, number 2, because we already state here two integer. So the first condition, if number 1 greater than number 2, if number 1 greater than number 2, print message number 1 is greater than number 2. Else, print message number 2 is greater than number 1. So and if, terminate if block, then the last part is write the stop. So now how you want to write the complete program. So as usual, I think this 4 line you already know already. Okay, so we go for the input statement. So before that, you can declare the data type first. You can use suitable data type. Example, integer is optional. Okay, next. So number 1 equal next integer bracket and with the semicolon. So this is the input statement. This is the input statement for the first number lah. And second number 2 equal to next integer bracket and with the semicolon. Next we see the condition, number 1 greater than number 2. So we just write the condition. If number 1 greater, use this operator. Number 1 greater than number 2. So if true means system.out.print number 1 greater than number 2. If false means num2 is greater than num1. So don't forget is to close the